Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the Factory Act. Begin by grasping the fundamental objectives behind its creation, which helps contextualize its various provisions. Pay close attention to the definitions section, as these terms are crucial for interpreting the entire document. Next, familiarize yourself with the major parts that outline worker health, safety, and welfare standards. This foundational understanding is essential for effective study. Dive into specific sections detailing health measures like cleanliness and ventilation, and safety aspects such as machinery guarding. Explore welfare provisions including washing facilities and first aid. Crucially, examine regulations concerning working hours, annual leave, and special rules for employing young individuals. Finally, understand the employer's duties and the consequences, including fines, for failing to meet these legal requirements. To solidify your understanding, create flowcharts and diagrams to visually map out the interconnected sections and processes within the Act. Actively engage with case studies and practice questions to apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios, reinforcing key concepts. Consider joining a study group or online forum. Discussing challenging topics with peers can provide new perspectives and clarify doubts effectively. Utilize official government publications and authoritative commentaries for accurate and detailed interpretations of the Factory Act. Attending workshops or seminars can offer valuable insights from experts and provide opportunities for interactive learning. Stay updated with any amendments or new regulations to ensure your knowledge remains current. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.